What is going on, guys? It is your boy Visual Tubes here, back with another video, and today I'm just going to be showing you how you can import an image and add it to an object in Blender 3D. It's going to look like a B-Tech Poundland version, but hopefully you guys are going to get the gist of this Poundland Premier League amazing object thing, whatever. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Let's get straight to it. We're just going to delete everything that we have here by clicking X delete, and what we are now going to do is we are going to add in the mesh known as the cylinder, where we can locate it easily because it's always going to be selected. When we add in the mesh, it will always be selected. We want to scale it, make it really big. I think that will do. We can just drag it down, go to edit mode and select one specific face and bring it up. Perfect, just like that. Now we can click A to select everything and bring it down just so that it's easier to manage. Alright, now from here what we can do is we can again select everything, go to object mode and make it smooth. You can see now it's got a really nice, fine, juicy consistency right here. And from here, now all we need to do is we need to create a new shade editor. So as you can see, we've just got the normal two different things here. What we're going to do from here is now we are going to actually add in the image that we are speaking about. So if we go down to our place where we modify our colors and click on this dot here, known as the base color, what we now want to do is click on image texture. And now if we open, click on file open and go to the desired image you want. Mine's obviously going to be the Premier League thing. Give it for a couple seconds and it should load. Go to this right here and you can see the image has been imported onto your build. There we are, done it. And now from here, what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the UV editor. Now from here what we want to do, click tab. So now as you can see, it's taken us to actually the image we have on our right side of the screen. We have the mesh with the image on it, and now we have the actual image right here on our screen. So what we're going to do, we don't want to mess with the sphere parts. The circle parts are not relevant at all, so you can just go ahead and delete those spaces because we are not going to be needing them. They're just going to make the whole process a lot harder. Select everything and select all the bottom dots here. Now once you've done that, grab it, click G to grab and bring it down like so. And now as you can see, now the Premier League badge and the painting looks like it's on there much more accurately. You guys have got the gist. This is exactly why I said it looks like a Poundland version. Look at that, I didn't even do it properly at all. But here's what it is. It was just a quick rushy tutorial to show you guys how to do it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It is your boy Visual Tube 3D and I am out! Let's see if it works.